Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. I am Anjali. The topic that I'll discuss today is empty set validation in Python, which means to check whether the set is empty or not. If you want to learn more about set, I'll be adding a link in the description box where I have explained all the data types. There you can know more about set. These are the methods to validate empty set. First, we are using len function, bool function, using comparison operators, and using not operator. First, we'll start with len function. The len function is used to find the length of an iterable. By using this function, we will find the length of the iterable. It returns number of items present inside those iterables. After counting the number of iterables, it will return the total number. We will see how this function helps us to know whether the set is empty or not. I'll explain you with an example. I'll copy paste this example. The variable name is states here. The set is filled with state names. You can see, and we are printing length of the state set by using len of states. Here is another variable which is empty, and we are printing the length of country set by using len function again. This is empty set and this is the set with state names. We will run this. You can see the length of the state variable and countries variable. Here it is 3 and here it is 0. By this you can conclude by using len function that this set is empty and this set is not empty. Second method is using bool function. The bool function in Python returns boolean value of specified object. The object which we are passing inside the bool function, that particular object, it will return boolean value. The function always returns true unless the object is false in Python. Now we will see how it will return true and false value. We have two different variables, employees and employees ID. One is with some data and another one is empty set. We are passing these variables as object to the bool function and we are printing these sentences called the bool value of employees set and bool value of the employees ID set. Now when we run this code, we will get this as true. It means the object which we are passing inside the bool function has value and this object is empty. This is another method to find whether the set is empty or not. This is the third method using comparison operator. The comparison operator, which looks like this, double equals to, it is used to compare two values in Python. Now we know that comparison operator is used to compare two values. Now we will see with an example how this will help us to know whether the set is empty or not. Variable name is companies, which is empty. This is the comparison operator that we are using in this example, and we are printing two different statements called the company's set is empty and non-empty if this condition becomes true, which means if the length of this variable companies is 0, then it will tell it is empty, else it will tell not empty. Here we have also used len function. This was the first method, and along with that we are using comparison operators. If I run this code, we will get set is empty. It means this condition has become true. Length of companies is 0. As you can see here, this is an empty set. So this line got executed. Now we will go to the last method, that is using not operator. We can reverse the answer of the if else statement with the help of not operator in Python and can print the statement accordingly. Not is nothing but reversing the answer. The value is true, not can make true as false and false as true. That is called reversing. And here it will reverse the answer of if else statement with the help of not operator and it will print the statement. Now we will see how this works in an example. In the shops variable, we have taken some names of brands and we are writing an if statement called if not shops. If this line becomes true, it is going to print that it is empty. Else, shop set is not empty, it will show. If I run this code, I'll get not empty. This is not true because if not stops, these conditions become false. Hence, the else part is executed and this will become the output. I hope you understood all the methods to check whether the set is empty or not. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel.